Hi everyone, great to have you back watching the Why Change channel. I'm Yulia.Kosarenko. If you watched my videos before, you know that I love to talk about the BA mindset and my favorite business analysis tools and techniques. Today though, we are going to switch gears. While a business analyst role on a project is critical, they cannot work in vacuum. Even the best BA will not succeed if they don't have support from their manager, the executive sponsor, or the project manager. And sometimes they face difficulties working with business stakeholders that misunderstand business analyst's role. Let's talk about that today. How to prepare business stakeholders who are new to the project and perhaps have never worked with a business analyst before. How to communicate the roles, the process, and the approach so that all sides get what they need. Of course, stakeholders care about their own needs. They want to have their problems resolved. Project managers want to deliver projects on time and on budget. And business analysts want to have comprehensive information as a basis for quality business analysis. One of the challenges that BAs face is this myth that their role is simply to gather and document requirements. Stakeholders have requirements. They know what they want. Just listen to them and write down what they say. I spoke before about this problem addressing business analysts and emphasizing the need to analyze the information you're given, not just write down what you're told. But we would miss an important opportunity if we don't address the other side of this equation, the perspective of business experts. We need to make an effort to educate them about what to expect from the business analysis process. So let's review. How can we approach this? Imagine you're going to work on a new project, whether as a PM, BA, or perhaps you're a project sponsor. You want to get the best value from the change, optimize the use of resources, and solve the right problem. It means that you need to have the whole project team aligned on the goals, the methodology, and the process. First, what are the goals? What does the project need to achieve? It's not just about making a change for its own sake. There must be a business benefit to it. Cost reduction, increase in revenue, the introduction of new products, expanding your market share, or mitigating risks. Before you start business analysis, the goals must be clear, especially when the overall goals are broader than the needs and problems of individual departments and stakeholders. You want to avoid the situation when different business owners want to dictate their own view of the future to the business analyst. A BA's role is to capture the vision of the future state from an enterprise perspective, not an individual stakeholder. The next question is your methodology clear? Does everyone understand how the project team will go about delivering the solution? How will the work be planned? Waterfall phases, iterations, sprints? Will all analysis be done upfront via a formal requirements analysis phase or iteratively with detailed backlog grooming for the upcoming iterations? What role which individual play? What is the decision-making process? How will the intermediate deliverables be validated and assessed? Again, to help business analysts be successful, it's important to clarify everyone's role in this process. A BA leads the requirements analysis phase and serves as an intermediary, facilitator, and requirements master during design, development, testing, and implementation activities. On agile teams, they play a key role in each sprint by grooming the backlog, facilitating team communication, and often leading demos and retrospectives. It is not the role of a scribe. On the contrary, there is a significant leadership component included with the role, with accountability for communication, facilitation of collaboration, and information sharing. If you are a PM or a project champion, encourage your business team to respect and support the business analyst in their role by providing information, supplying data and facts, participating in the analysis, facilitating job shadowing, and gathering of the artifacts. Ask them to take the requirements reviews and validation seriously. Make sure they understand the analysis and its deliverables, and don't rely on the understanding of others. To do that, they need to be motivated and engaged, which requires an effort. But the payoff is also significant. And finally, let's talk about the process. In this case, the business analysis process. As Edward Deming said, if you can't describe what you're doing as a process, you don't know what you're doing. Depending on your methodology, you will have certain standard activities, rituals, and deliverables to make this process predictable, repeatable, and effective. So make sure all participants understand the business analysis process and their own role. Then everyone's time will be used more effectively. The time of the stakeholders, business analysts, team members, and yours as well. Of course, you will also expect the business analyst to do their part. I've already covered this in my BA Mindset video series. Please refer to these videos for business analysis best practices. If you work in an organization that struggles with quality business analysis, remember that you need to do both. Foster the business analyst mindset among your BA team and elevate the role of business analysis in the organization. If you need help to make this work in your company, please reach out to me for resources and consulting support. My contact information is included below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a successful implementation of your business changes. I'm Yulia.Kosarenko, author of Business Analyst, a Profession and a Mindset. Until next time.